Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. Just to reflect briefly, congratulations on completing Module 6, which was on communication and marketing. I hope you enjoyed it. The final assignment, writing a blog post for your case studies industry, was for a lot of people quite challenging. It's a new way of writing and a different style than you might use for more traditional media, but a very good exercise because it requires concise and careful thinking. It also gave you the opportunity to reflect on the cross-industry issues for that specific case studies company. And using this also as a possibility to reflect on issues around transparency and how this links to sustainability. So I hope you found the assignment useful, and yeah, I look forward to looking at what you've submitted. We also had some very interesting discussions on the forums, people reflecting on their company's sustainability story, which was quite interesting to take a step back and to look at how your company presents itself in terms of its sustainability stories. And we also had some interesting discussions in the small groups on sustainable education in the workplace with a lot of different and interesting perspectives. So this week we move on to Module 7, and Module 7 is about collaboration and partnerships. This is an important module because we find that many of the sustainability challenges that companies face are ones that need to be addressed on an industry-wide level. If you look at things like climate change, for example, that's something that no one company can make enough of an impact on to really make a difference. It has to be a joint effort between many companies as well as government players, NGOs, and other organizations and groups. So also, as you probably will have seen from the previous module, the challenges that companies face are very dependent on the industries in which they operate and the geographies in which they operate. And this will make a difference in terms of what kind of partnerships will be required. So keep in mind that one size does not fit all in a sustainable business context. This is also true when thinking about partnerships. So depending on your case studies companies, size, the industry they operate in, it will be considerably different to the kind of partnerships that other companies may have, even if they're operating in the same industry. So keep that in mind. This is the last module that you'll be using your case study company for to complete the assignment. So from next week, we will be moving on to the final module, Module 8, and then you'll revert back to your ongoing project company and complete a final plan, which will wrap up the whole course. But for now, we're focusing on partnerships and collaboration, and I hope that you find it useful, and I look forward to seeing your posts in the forums. Good luck to you.